Hey there, homeowner. Have you ever wondered what might be lurking in the hidden corners of your home? Today, I'm diving into the top 5 toxic molds you didn't know existed. Buckle up, because this might just surprise you. First up, we have Stachybotrys chartarum, commonly known as black mold. This nasty mold thrives in damp, humid environments and can cause severe respiratory problems, fatigue, and even depression. It's often found in bathrooms, basements, and around leaky pipes. If you spot it, don't touch it without proper protection. Next on our list is Aspergillus. This one is tricky, as it's found both indoors and outdoors. While not all species are harmful, some can lead to serious health issues like lung infections and allergic reactions. Keep an eye out for it in your air conditioning systems and on damp walls. Coming in at number 3, we have penicillium. You might recognize the name from the antibiotic penicillin, but don't be fooled. When it grows in your home, it can trigger severe allergies and asthma attacks. It's usually found on water-damaged materials like wallpaper, carpet, and insulation. Fourth on the list is cladosporium. This mold is often found in cabinets, under floorboards, and inside ducting. It can cause skin rashes, eye irritation, and even sinus infections. It's a sneaky one, so regular checks are a must. Last but not least, we have alternaria. This mold loves damp places like showers and under sinks. It can cause asthma-like symptoms and even chronic sinusitis. If you see dark spots that look like they could be mold, don't ignore them. So there you have it. The top 5 toxic molds that could be hiding in your home. Stay vigilant, stay safe, and always remember to address mold issues quickly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful home tips. Catch you next time.